going to be discussing regrouping with base 10 with a set model. We will be going over our base value, decomposing numbers, and then we're going to do the same word problem with our linear model. So our word problem says, Susie made 105 cookies. She wants to give 16 to her friend. How many does Susie have left? So to start off with our set model, we're going to use our base 10 blocks, and we're going to go ahead and set this up. We're going to put a flat in the hundreds place because if you counted every single one of these little units, it would equal 100. So we're going to put those there, and then we're going to put 5 ones in our ones on our ones chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we have 100 and 5. We don't have anything in the tens place because we have a 0 in the tens place. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to regroup our 100 into 10 longs because 10 longs equals 100. Let me just do this to show you here. That is the same. So that equals 100. 10 longs. I'm going to set those there, and I'm going to take this flat away. Okay. Then we're going to have to regroup again a long for 10 ones because a long equals 10 ones. Alright, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we're going to take that long away now. So now, since we have a 6 in the ones place, since we're taking away 16, we have a 6 in the ones place, so we're going to take away 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're going to take away those. And then we have a 1 in the tens place, so we're going to take away 1 long in the tens place. So we're going to take that away. So right here we have our answer. So if we counted these out, these all equal 10, so it would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So we have an 8 in our tens place. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And a 9 in our ones place. So our answer is going to be 89. So let's go ahead and put those away now. And then for base value, when I say 10 makes 1, I mean that regrouping a 10 is 1 in the tens place and 0 in the ones place. It's the same thing if I said 10 tens. It would be a 1 in the hundreds place and a 0 and another 0 in ones in the tens place. And then we're going to decompose our answer. So our answer was 89. So if we wrote an 8 and a 9 here, decomposing, or you can say expanded form, would be an 8 equals 80 plus 9. So that means that we have 8 tens, so that would be 80, and then 9 ones. So I'm going to show you that on the set model just to get a better understanding again. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. There's 8 of those, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's another way you can write it. Or you can write it as 8 tens plus 9 ones. And that is how we're going to decompose our number. So we're going to put the set model away, and we're going to... Okay, so now we're going to look at our number line. So we're still using the same problem. Susie made 105 cookies. She wants to give 16 to her friend. How many does Susie have left? So as you can see, I made a number line from 89 to 105. You can see that the number line doesn't start at 0, and that's okay. A number line can start at any number and end at any number, but as long as our arrows are still here, it shows that the number line can still keep going. So what we're going to do is we're going to be subtracting 16. So we're going to come to the 105 here, and we're going to take away 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to come all the way here. Take away 5. And then, since we took away that 5, all we have to do is just take away the 10. So we can take that 10 away. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to come here, go all the way here. And I'm just putting the numbers up here so you can see how much we're taking away from this 105. But, and then we're going to take one more because we're still taking away 116 from 105. So if we add these together, 5 plus 10 is 16, and 15, and then plus 1 is 16. So that gives us 105 minus 16 gives us 89. And that is the end of this lesson.
Go.
Alright, so just to review, we went over our regrouping with our set model. We have gone over our base value. We learned decomposing, and then we did a linear model with the same 2 word problems we had. And that's the end of our lesson for today.